If you don't know what a retainer fee is, listen up. It's a monetary amount that you pay a lawyer for services. And in these services, the amount of money that you pay as the retainer fee may or may not cover all services needed. Basically, it's a down payment is what it is. You give them this down payment called a retainer fee, and if the services go over that down payment, then you owe what's left. Let's talk about USCCA. They paid a $50,000 retainer fee for a lawyer to defend Kayla Giles. But then they dropped her to like a bad habit, and I'm not going to focus on how they dropped her like a bad habit or how they drug their customer through the mud or any of that stuff, right? But they did pay the $50,000. The Attorneys on Retainer program, the National Family Plan, you pay $25 a month per person. That's $50 a month total for a couple. It would take you 83 years to meet the $50,000 threshold that we're talking about with USCCA. 83 years. So I want you to think to yourself, what are the chances that I would have to defend myself either with physical force or deadly physical force within 83 years? It's pretty great. If you've never had to do that by the time you're 30, I'd be surprised. I personally have had to defend myself with physical force, and I've never had to defend myself with deadly physical force. But there was one very, very close incident, and that was before I was 30. I say all that to say this. Your $50 a month that you would pay to the AOR program would be well worth it and wise to spend. The only way this wouldn't be worth it is if you're rich and you can afford $50,000 to retain the lawyer that may or may not cover all the services needed or required to defend you in the court of law.